Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we're looking at part 2 of 2 videos covering the topic isometric projection. So in the previous video, which is part 1, we started the drawing, and in today's video, we'll be completing the drawing and adding the dimensions so that you can actually see the optical illusion if you look on the drawing for a reasonable time. At CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. So we're going to draw a line from here. This line will be what? 50 millimeters, and the angle would be 150. Enter. All right. So we're going to come down now. This line will be 45 millimeters, and the angle would be 210. Enter. All right, here is our maze drawing. Good job if you followed along. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put these lines we're going to change the line weight to 0.3. So to do that, you click the layer properties icon here to get the layer properties manager. Then we click this icon to make a new layer. We're going to call it outline. We're going to change the line weight here to 0.3 millimeters. Press OK. Close the layer properties manager by pressing the X. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything. Yes. Then I'm going to put it on the outline layer. Right. And then now, see it is darker there. So good job if you followed along. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to put the dimensions on the drawing. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to add the dimensions to the drawing. So we're going to go aligned. I'm going to indicate this point. I'm going to come down like this. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to come like this to get the overall distance here. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to do the side. So I'm going to go aligned again. I'm going to come here. There. Going to turn on snap. Good. We're going to come again. Aligned. Going to turn off snap. I'll pick up this point. Gonna turn on snap. Good. We're going to indicate the next dimension from, gonna turn off snap to pick up the point from here to there. Gonna turn on snap. We're going to indicate the next dimension. So we're going to indicate the overall length. So we're going to click here, click there, click there. Gonna turn on object snap. I'll put it there. All right. So we're gonna indicate the height going up now. So we're gonna go aligned. Gonna turn on snap. Gonna indicate there to there. Gonna turn on snap. Gonna indicate the height again going up. Gonna turn on snap. Gonna turn on snap. We're gonna go up again by pressing enter. Gonna turn on snap. Press enter to get the last command, all right? I'm gonna turn on snap. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna indicate the total height, right? So we're gonna click aligned there to there, enter. All right, so what we have is the dimensions on the drawing, but they're not properly aligned to the drawing, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna type BIM edit, then we're gonna click oblique, and I'm gonna do these two first, enter. I'm going to indicate the oblique angle. We can type it in or we can indicate the angle, right? So we could type in 30 or we can just come like this and indicate the side that we want it to be aligned to, okay? I'm going to repeat the process over here. So I'm going to press enter to get the last command. I'm going to click oblique. Then I'm going to click on these dimensions individually. Press enter, enter the objects. It's no in the command line it says enter the oblique angle. I can type in 30 or minus 30. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a drawing. It's better to align it on the drawing like this, and there it is aligned, right? So I need to do the 10. This 10 here, we didn't pick it up, so we need to press enter, click oblique, gonna click this one, enter, and then the oblique angle will be this line. All right, good. We're going to do the same thing down here. So press enter to get the last command. Click oblique. I'm going to click the 45, the 10, the 10, the 10, enter, and the oblique angle will be this. See that? Good. So I'm going to center the drawing. All right, so this is our completed drawing. So good job if you got it correct. So in today's video, we drew the maze drawing of an isometric box in ISO. We have come to the end of today's video, which is part 2 of the 2 videos covering the topic how to draw an isometric drawing. In the next video, we'll be drawing this isometric block in 2D drawings, which is third angle projection, which is the first video, and the second video will be first angle projection. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then, and please remember that at CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. See you in the next 2 videos. Take care. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.